In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on Shein with the convenience of a buy now, pay later option. Whether you're new to online shopping or a seasoned pro, this guide will help you effortlessly navigate making a purchase on Shein while taking advantage of flexible payment options. Shopping online can be overwhelming, but I'll walk you through the entire process to make sure you have a seamless experience. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is open your favorite web browser. You can easily do this on your computer, tablet, or even your phone, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Then, in the address bar, type in the URL for Shein's website, which is simply www.shein.com, and hit enter. This will take you directly to the homepage where you can explore the latest fashion trends, accessories, and more. Once you're on Shein's homepage, take some time to browse through the wide variety of products they offer. You can filter items by categories such as clothing, accessories, or even footwear. If you already have something specific in mind, take advantage of the search bar at the top of the page to quickly find your desired product. Whether you're looking for a new outfit for a special occasion or just something casual, there's something for everyone. Enjoy the process of discovering your next favorite item. After gathering everything you want to purchase into your shopping cart, the next step is to proceed to checkout. Check that you've selected the right sizes and quantities and make any final adjustments you need. Once everything looks good, click the checkout button to move to the payment section. This is where the magic of buy now, pay later comes into play, allowing you to manage your finances with more flexibility. Under the payment method section, look for the option that says buy now, pay later. This feature might not be available to everyone immediately, especially if you're a brand new user on Shein. If you don't see it, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a while to become activated on your account. If it's available, select it and follow the prompts to set up this payment method. You'll likely need to provide some basic information, but don't worry, this is a standard step to ensure a secure transaction. Finally, after you've successfully set up buy now, pay later, simply follow the remaining instructions to complete your purchase. That's it. Your items are on their way, and you have the flexibility to pay later. Enjoy your new purchase without any immediate stress on your wallet, and look fabulous without delay. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to take advantage of Shein's Buy Now, Pay Later feature. I hope this guide was helpful in making the most of your shopping experience. Enjoy your new finds, and happy shopping!